1. Octopuses possess 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills for oxygenation, while the third circulates it throughout the body, stopping briefly when they swim, which allows for efficient energy management in their active predatory lifestyle. 2. Their blood is blue thanks to copper-based hemocyanin, which efficiently transports oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, giving them an edge in deep-sea habitats where hemoglobin-based blood would falter. 3. They have 9 brains, a central one for overall control and a mini-brain in each of their 8 arms for independent actions, enabling complex problem-solving without relying solely on centralized processing. 4. About 2/3 of their 500 million neurons reside in their arms, allowing limbs to think and respond autonomously, which supports multitasking behaviors like exploring while eating or escaping threats. 5. Each arm can taste, smell, and manipulate objects independently, passing food to the mouth without central brain input, demonstrating a level of decentralized intelligence that's rare in the animal kingdom. 6. Octopuses change color, pattern, and texture in milliseconds using specialized skin cells called chromatophores for camouflage and communication, a rapid adaptation that helps them blend into diverse environments or signal emotions to others. 7. Their skin includes iridophores and leucophores, creating iridescent and reflective effects beyond simple pigmentation, which not only aids in disguise but also in mesmerizing displays during mating or defense. 8. They mimic dangerous animals like lionfish or sea snakes to deter predators, showcasing advanced behavioral adaptation that involves observing and replicating the movements and appearances of other species. 9. Lacking bones, octopuses squeeze through openings as small as their beak, the only hard part of their body, allowing them to navigate tight crevices in reefs or escape enclosures in astonishing ways. 10. Lost arms regenerate fully, restoring function without scarring, a feat of biological renewal that highlights their remarkable healing abilities and resilience in the face of injury or predation. 11. All octopuses are venomous, injecting paralyzing toxins through a bird-like beak to subdue prey, which makes them efficient hunters capable of taking down creatures larger than themselves. 12. Their ink clouds contain melanin and tyrosinase, obscuring vision, irritating eyes, and paralyzing predators' senses, serving as a multifaceted defense mechanism that buys time for a swift getaway. 13. Using jet propulsion, they expel water through a siphon to reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour for quick escapes, a propulsion system that mimics rocket technology and underscores their hydrodynamic prowess. 14. Octopuses edit their own RNA on the fly, allowing rapid physiological adaptations without altering DNA, which provides them with an evolutionary flexibility that's unparalleled among most Earth species. 15. Their genome boasts 33,000 protein-coding genes, more than humans, with a complex alien structure that includes expanded gene families for neural development and camouflage. 16 fossils show octopuses appearing suddenly around 300 million years ago with no clear transitional forms, fueling speculation about their rapid evolutionary leap during ancient geological periods. 17. A controversial theory suggests panspermia. Octopus ancestors arrived on Earth via comets as cryopreserved eggs, proposing an extraterrestrial origin that challenges traditional evolutionary timelines. 18. They use tools like coconut shells for portable shelters or rocks to block den entrances, indicating a level of foresight and innovation typically associated with higher primates. 19. Octopuses recognize individual humans, often squirting water at those they dislike, revealing a capacity for memory and social discernment in interactions with other species. 20. They exhibit curiosity, playing with objects, and even juggling tank mates when bored, behaviors that suggest a playful intelligence and a need for mental stimulation in captivity. 21. Most live just 6 months to 5 years, with intelligence crammed into a brief, intense existence that drives them to learn and adapt quickly in their short lifespans. 22. Females lay up to 100,000 eggs, guarding them without eating until they hatch and then die, a sacrificial reproductive strategy that ensures the survival of the next generation at great personal cost. 23. Males transfer sperm via a specialized hectocotylous arm, which detaches in some species, allowing for remote fertilization and adding to the intrigue of their mating rituals. 24. They hunt in groups with fish, but punch uncooperative partners to enforce order, displaying a form of social coordination and conflict resolution in temporary alliances. 25. Some build cities of dens from rocks and shells, forming rare social communities that hint at emerging societal structures among these typically solitary creatures. 26. Octopuses dream, twitching and changing colors during sleep, possibly replaying memories, which points to a rich inner life and cognitive processing similar to REM sleep in mammals. 27. Their skin senses light independently of eyes, allowing them to see without looking, an extra sensory layer that enhances their awareness in dark or murky waters. 28. They breathe via gills and absorb oxygen through moist skin, even briefly on land, enabling short terrestrial excursions that blur the line between aquatic and amphibious life. 29. Eyes are camera-like, with sophisticated lenses and no blind spot for sharp vision, an optical design that converges with vertebrate eyes despite separate evolutionary paths. 30. Rectangular pupils function as prisms, enabling color perception despite being colorblind, a clever adaptation that allows them to detect polarized light for navigation and hunting. 31. During low tides, they venture onto land to hunt, surviving short periods out of water, showcasing their adaptability to intertidal zones and opportunistic foraging. 32. Cannibalism is common. Larger octopuses eat smaller ones even when other food is available, a survival tactic that reflects the harsh competition in their ecosystem. 33. Each sucker on their arms can lift up to 35 pounds, aiding in gripping and sensing, which combines strength with tactile sensitivity for precise manipulation. 34. A radula, a toothed, tongue-like structure, scrapes food and drills into shells, functioning like a versatile tool for breaking down tough prey exteriors. 35. Their waste resembles silly string, expelled through the siphon alongside ink or water jets, an efficient system for waste management integrated with propulsion and defense. 36. The blue-ringed octopus carries deadly tetrodotoxin, potent enough to kill humans in minutes, a neurotoxin that serves as both a weapon and a vivid warning through its flashing rings. 37. Without a skeleton, they rely on a muscular hydrostat system for precise, flexible movements, a structure that allows for fluid, almost liquid-like contortions. 38. They possess short and long-term memory, recalling mazes, people, and strategies, which supports learning from experience and applying knowledge in novel situations. 39. Vision spans 360 degrees, providing panoramic awareness of surroundings, an all-encompassing view that minimizes vulnerabilities in their predatory world. 40. Papillae on skin create bumpy textures, enhancing camouflage realism, allowing them to mimic not just colors but also the physical contours of rocks or algae. 41. Over 300 species exist, ranging from gram-sized dwarfs to 600-pound giants, a diversity that spans habitats from tropical shallows to frigid abyssal plains. 42. Evolved from shelled ancestors, they shed protection for speed and agility, a trade-off that favored intelligence and evasion over armored defense. 43. The oldest known ancestor had 10 arms, hinting at evolutionary shifts that reduced arm count while enhancing functionality in modern octopuses. 44. Ink may include pheromones or messages, serving as chemical communication that could convey warnings or attract mates beyond mere visual distraction. 45. Bored octopuses sometimes eat their own arms in a process called autophagy, a stress response that underscores the importance of enrichment in captive environments. 46. Their mouth is a hard, sharp beak located beneath the arms, perfectly suited for tearing into crustaceans and fish with parrot-like efficiency. 47. Found exclusively in saltwater, from shallow reefs to abyssal depths, they thrive in a wide range of oceanic pressures and temperatures. 48. Paul the octopus famously predicted World Cup outcomes with 85.7% accuracy, a demonstration of pattern recognition that captivated global audiences and sparked debates on animal cognition. 49. Distributed intelligence suggests a form of cognition that could arise on alien worlds, offering insights into how non-centralized brains might evolve elsewhere in the universe. 50. They boast the largest brain-to-body ratio among invertebrates, rivaling vertebrates, which equips them with problem-solving skills far beyond typical mollusks. 51. Complex traits like large brains and camouflage emerged abruptly in the Cambrian explosion, a burst of evolutionary innovation that transformed simple ancestors into sophisticated predators.